Hello students, have a wonderful day. Welcome to online class from Blue Stars A Secondary School. This is the class for 5th standard and subject English. Students, today we are going to learn kinds of adjectives. So what is adjective? Adjective is a word that describes a noun or pronoun. So let me give an example to make it clear. For example, Vijay is a boy. Vijay is a boy. Here we are able to understand whether Vijay is a boy or not. But we are not able to get more details about what kind of boy Vijay is. Now let's see this example. So Vijay is a good boy. Vijay is a good boy. Here we are describing the quality of Vijay by telling that he is a good boy. So good is an adjective here. Have you understood? Yes. Now let's look into types of adjectives. Adjectives are divided into various types. We will look into main 6 types of adjectives. So these are adjective of quality, adjective of quantity, adjective of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, and possessive adjective. So now let's look into them one by one. First one, adjective of quality. So these are the words that describe quality of noun or pronoun. Okay, for example, I have a nice teddy. Here, what is the quality of teddy? It is nice. They generally answer the question of what kind in any sentence. Now, can you think of more such quality of teddy? Someone may say it is brown color. So someone may say it is cute. So the words awesome, cute, brown or the quality of teddy. Okay. So now let's look into the next type, adjective of quantity. So these are the words that describe quantity of noun or pronoun. So note the word quantity. Okay. So for example, I have enough money. Okay, I have enough money. Here, enough describes the quantity of money I have. So questions they generally answer how much. Okay, how much in any sentence. Some more examples, them are I have little amount of money or I have some money. I have some money and I have more money. I have more money. So students, remember that define the quantity of noun. They define the quantity of noun, not the exact amount. So these are adjective of quantity. And next type, adjective of number. So these are words that describe exact number of noun. Notes the word exact. For example, Anu has 4 apples. Here 4 is the exact number of apple Anu has. They generally gives the answers of the questions how many in any sentence. If there is only one apple, then we can say Anu has an apple. Anu has an apple. If she has 8, 2 or 10. Any such exact number. So any such exact number describes this adjective. Next type is demonstrative adjective. So words that points out a person, thing or animal. Note the word points. For example, this book is mine. This book is mine. Here or pointing out the book. Here or pointing out the book. Some more examples of them are that, these, that, those. Okay. So now let's look into next type of adjectives. Interrogative adjective. So these are WH words are used with nouns to ask questions. Now, what are the WH words? WH words include what, who, whose, whom and which. For example, which book is yours? Here, which is used before book and is asking question. So, it is an interrogative adjective. Final type of adjective, possessive adjective. So, these are the words that are used to show ownership. So, note the word ownership. Example, Joe left his bat at home. Here, his word is used to shows as that is bat. So, it is a possessive adjective. Some more examples of possessive adjective. Their, my, our or her. So, this is possessive adjective. So, students, I hope kinds of adjectives are clear to you. Okay, thank you.